Learn English. Hello everyone. Here are the words for today. Number 1, I will call this is in a restaurant. Correct. Number 2, I was thirsty. I drank some water. What's that word with 2 letters? Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The waiter will bring the food. The waiter will bring the food. The waiter will bring the food. A waiter is a man or woman working in a restaurant, serving food to the customers. Now we can make a flashcard for waiter and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write waiter up here in the top left corner. WAITER. Down here, PEO1. This means people, level 1. Over here, the number 74 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Waiter. Or quickly, waiter. Number 2, 2 sentences. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is hungry, so she will eat. Jennifer is hungry, so she will eat. So, similar to she is eating because she is hungry. Now we can make a flashcard for so. So is similar to therefore. Please check your dictionary. And so also means very. For example, you are so good at tennis. Please make a flashcard like this. Write so up here in the top left corner. S-O. It has 2 meanings. Very and therefore. Down here, GW1. This means grammar word level 1. Over here, the number 96 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. So. Game over. I am so proud of you. And level 2 words, if you're high level. Number 1, pollution. Yes. Is that good or bad? Very bad. Number 2, Jennifer is? Yeah, she's gonna have a baby. And number 3, health card. This is just something we carry in our wallet very often. Today is Saturday, September 20th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Please share with your friends. Bye for now.